We'll guide you through how to turn off iPhone Safe Search. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on an iPhone. So with Safe Search turned on, it can go and impact the sites that show up in results and also other things as well. So we're going to guide you through how you can turn it off. We're going to guide you through some different ways you can do this as well, just in case there's another reason why you can't access a certain site. So make sure this is full guide and don't skip ahead. We're going to come into Safari itself, and you want to come to google.com. As you can see, we're already here. You can go and scroll to the bottom, and you need to go into the footer. In here, you can go and find settings. Keep watching as I'm covering something else in a moment as well. When you tap there, you get a list, and you can press search settings at the top. Now, what you need to do is come into content and find Safe Search and tap there. At the moment, it's set to filter. What we want to do is go and set it to off. And so all relevant results are now going to be shown. And another thing we also need to go and check is we can come out of here and open up the iPhone settings, scroll down until you get to screen time, scroll down again, and you can find content and privacy restrictions. And you want to go and find App Store, Media, Web, and Games. And tap there, come into web content. At the moment it's set to limit, and we can set it to unrestricted. Enter in the screen time passcode. If someone else set it up, they'll need to enter it. And that's it.